Let's take a look at the caption tool. That's this tool right here that looks like quotation marks. The caption tool is a place where you can go to write words. Now remember, you do have the text and label tool, which is best if you're only writing a few words or one or two sentences. If you're going to write a lot, you might want to choose the caption tool instead. When we click here, it opens up the place to type. If you want, you can choose to add a voice caption. Let's see what that looks like now. Once upon a time, there were 3 kids who found a spaceship. They went inside, turned on the ignition, and blasted off into outer space. I can click the pause button here if I want to think about my next sentence, and then click here to keep telling my story. Or when you're finished, you can click done. That's one way to create a voice caption. Or we can type a caption here. I'm going to throw away the voice caption and I'm going to type instead. You can also choose to type your sentences. All you have to do is type your story here in the caption area. When you're done typing, you can click back here anywhere on the canvas, and it will look like your words disappeared, but they're still there. When you go to turn in your work, your teacher will see the words that you typed in. Here I am in my journal, and you can see the words that I typed into the caption.